Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to enable file extensions on Windows 10 so you can easily identify different file types on your computer. Step 1. Open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. File Explorer is where all your files and folders are stored, and opening it is the first step to accessing view settings that control how files are displayed. Step 2. Click on the View tab at the top of the File Explorer window. This tab contains display options that let you customize how files and folders appear, making it easier to manage and recognize them. Step 3. Look for the option named File Name Extensions in the ribbon menu. This option is specifically designed to show or hide file extensions, which helps you understand the actual file format, such as .txt, .jpg, or .xe. Step 4. Check the box next to File Name Extensions to enable it. Once this box is checked, Windows will immediately start showing extensions, which is important for identifying files correctly and avoiding unknown or suspicious file types. Step 5. Close File Explorer, and you will now see file extensions for all files on Windows 10. This confirms the setting has been applied successfully and will remain enabled until you change it again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.